Today we'll be discussing the fluid drain and service points of your AIRMAN generator. Starting off, if equipped, you'll have your DEF fill in its own lockable compartment. Each AIRMAN generator has fluid drains external to the containment pan. Each drain will be labeled and will have its own valve on the inside to control the flow. Starting over here, we have our fuel filter housings, primary and secondary. Our primary fuel filter does have a water separator drain on the bottom. Your secondary fuel filter here is a spin-on filter. Additionally, we have our 12-volt fuel pump. This also has a small strainer filter in the bottom as well. Here we will have our cartridge oil filter, our oil fill, and if equipped, your unit may have a quick fit system for easy access to drain the oil. Coming along over here, we will have our fuel fill, fan belt access and tensioning, our coolant overflow located right here, and our radiator cap access located up top. Additionally, there are more service points located on the other side of the machine. Opening the service doors on this side, you'll see we have our external fuel tank connection points, along with a ball valve to switch it from internal tank to external tank. We have an easy to access 12-volt battery, and above the engine here we have our air cleaner connected with clasps. Please refer to your operator manual for your maintenance intervals and more service tips. For more information, please visit our support tab on the website at anacorp.com.